Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make the best homemade barbecue sauce. Honestly, this is super delicious. Continue to watch this video if you want to see and how I make it. Please don't forget to thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media, okay? So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 2 cups of ketchup, and these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Okay, I also have some vinegar, and this is 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and some freshly chopped ginger. You can always use ground ginger, and this is 2 tablespoons, or should I say 2 teaspoons. Okay, yes. And this is my sugar, and I'm using just over 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna add some molasses. You can use whichever one you have, and I'm gonna add at least 2 tablespoons. You don't need it to be too dark. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm gonna add all my seasoning. My vinegar and my sugar. So now I'm just gonna take my whisk and just whisk it all in. I'm gonna add just 1/4 cup of water just for it to loosen up a bit, because I don't want it to be so thick. And I'm gonna also add some more of my molasses. Looking good already. And I'm gonna also add my ginger. That look amazing. And I'm gonna also add some honey, guys, and I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of honey. And there you have it. My sauce is all ready. You can always taste it, guys. Look at that, so nice and so rich. So that's done. So guys, here I have my saucepan and my stove, and my stove is on a low heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my sauce. Look at that, it look amazing. My goodness, wow. So now guys, you're gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes, okay, because you want all those flavor to combine together. This sauce is so perfect. It looks super delicious, I'm telling you. With all that ginger, perfect barbecue sauce. So guys, it's just over 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna check back on my sauce. Oh my goodness, look at that. Amazing. The sauce is nice, it's not too thick, it is perfect. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna turn my stove off. Guys, I'm telling you, the sauce came out so perfect. It was absolutely delicious, mouth-watering. Please, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it to your friends, to your families, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. Honestly, guys, I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And I'm gonna serve my barbecue wings, obviously, with some fried chicken wings, because you know wings, guys, go perfect with everything. And it was so so good. I have a video on my channel on how I make my wings. They are super crispy, so you guys can go and check them out. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love. And if you try this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at Williams Food Varieties.